Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off location sharing on Instagram. If you are worried about your privacy or you don't want Instagram to track or share your live location with anyone, then this video is definitely for you. So let's get started. Open the settings app on your phone, then scroll down and tap on app management, then tap app list. Here tap on search bar and find and tap on Instagram. Now tap permissions. Here select location. Choose don't allow or allow only while using the app. This gives you full control over your location. And that's it. Now your location is completely safe and Instagram won't share it anymore. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Android tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.